Hey, Foodaloo crew! Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today, we're diving into the world of sushi making, and I'll be your guide on this delicious journey. Whether you're a sushi enthusiast or a beginner, making perfect sushi at home is not only satisfying, but also a lot of fun. Today, I'll share some tips on choosing the right ingredients and mastering various rolling techniques to help you create beautiful and delicious sushi rolls in your own kitchen. When it comes to crafting sushi, the cornerstone lies in its ingredients. Freshness stands as the paramount factor in achieving authentic and delectable flavors. Thus, sourcing the highest quality fish and other essential components becomes imperative. Seeking out sushi-grade fish from reputable sources, such as local seafood markets or specialty stores, ensures both safety and flavor integrity. By prioritizing freshness and quality in the selection of ingredients, one lays the foundation for an exceptional sushi experience, where each bite resonates with the essence of fine craftsmanship and culinary excellence. Selecting fish for sushi demands attention to specific characteristics. A clean, oceanic scent and vibrant hues indicative of freshness. Should uncertainty arise, seeking guidance from the fishmonger proves invaluable in securing the best options. Additionally, while fish takes the spotlight, one mustn't overlook other crucial elements like nori, seaweed sheets, sushi rice, and assorted vegetables, each contributing to the complexity and balance of flavors in sushi rolls. Thus, by paying heed to the quality and attributes of all components, one ensures a harmonious and satisfying sushi experience, where every ingredient plays a pivotal role in achieving culinary excellence. Now, let's move on to the heart of sushi, the rice. The key here is to have perfectly seasoned and sticky rice. I've got a pot of sushi rice here that I've already seasoned with a mixture of rice vinegar, sugar, and salt. Be sure to let it cool down before using it in your rolls. Once your rice is ready, it's time to start rolling. Lay a sheet of nori on a bamboo rolling mat. Dampen your hands to prevent sticking, and evenly spread a thin layer of rice over the nori. Leave a small border at the top to seal the roll. Now comes the fun part, adding your favorite fillings. Get creative with your combinations, whether it's classic avocado and cucumber, or something a bit more adventurous like spicy tuna. Gently lift the bamboo mat, tucking and rolling the sushi into a tight cylinder. Voila! You've just created your own sushi roll. But wait, we're not done yet. Grab a sharp knife, wet it to prevent sticking, and carefully slice your roll into bite-sized pieces. Delicious! And there you have it, Foodaloo crew, the basics of mastering the art of making perfect sushi at home. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment with different ingredients and techniques. If you enjoyed this sushi adventure, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Foodaloo for more culinary delights, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a tasty episode. Until next time, happy sushi making!